the mathematics class. This class is for class 8 in continuation to the previous class of linear equation in one variable. We were discussing word problems and we exercise 15b. We have done up to question number 10. Now we start with question number 12. We were doing in the multiples of 2. Now what is question number 12? They say a father is 3 times as old as his son. Means father's age is 3 times of son's age. So we will assume let son's age be x. Son's age be x means son's present age be x. So therefore father's age will be what? Father's age means father's present age will be 3 times of son's age, because it is given father's age is 3 times of his son's age. So we have taken son's age as x, father's age will be 3 times of x. Then they say 15 years hence. 15 years hence means 15 years later. So 15 years hence. 15 years hence means after 15 years. So after 15 years, son's age will become what? X plus 15, because today our present age of son is x, and 15 years on from now it will be 15 more years, means x plus 15. And at the same time, okay, then they say father's age will be what? 3x plus 15, that way. But they say, let me write father's age, and father's age will be what? Father's age will be, today the father's age is 3x, so for 15 years from now it will be 3x plus 15. Now what do they say? They say 15 years hence he will be twice as old as his son. Father will be twice as old as his son. According to question, they say that father will be twice his son's age when 15 years later or 15 years hence. So father's age after 15 years is 3x plus 15 is equal to 2 times of son's age 15 years hence is x plus 15. Now we can just solve it out. So 3x plus 15 is equal to 2x plus 15, 2s are 30. 2 comes to the side, 15 goes to that side. So 3x minus 2x is equal to 30 minus 15. X is equal to 15 and x was son. Son's age is 15 year, present age, because we assume let son's age be x. And father's age is 3x, that is 3 into 15, that is 45 years. Now the question says, what is the sum of their present ages? So sum of their present ages is equal to father plus son. Father is 45, son is 15. So total sum of their ages is 60 years. That is the final value. Now we move on to question number 14. Now question number 14 I have taken. They say length of a rectangular blackboard is 8 meters more than its breadth. Means this is a blackboard which is rectangular in shape. Let us name it as A, B, C, D. Length is denoted by L, breadth is denoted by B. They say length of a blackboard is 8 meters more than its breadth. 8 meters more than its breadth. Means we will assume our variable to breadth as B. Means we can write, or we can say, let the breadth or width of board be denoted by B. So therefore length will be what? Length is 8 plus B. Length is 8 more than its breadth. They say length is over. If the length is increased increased by 7. Now, in the next case, they say if length is increased by 7 means now the length has become as L plus 7. This is new length. New length. If the length is increased by 7 and breadth is decreased by 4 and new breadth is decreased by 4 means minus 4. Then what happens? Its area remains unchanged. Area remains unchanged means in first case area can be written as L into B, and L is what? 8 plus B. 8 plus B into breadth was B. This was the area in first case. In second case, the area of rectangle will be new length into new breadth. So L plus 7 is the new length and new breadth is B minus 4. But they say the value, numerical value of this and this both are same. If both are same, it means both of these can be equated. This is the suppose x is the area of this. So when you solve 8b plus 8 plus b into b, you will get x. When you will solve L plus 7 into B minus 4, again you will get same. So we are equating, let us say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So we can say by equating equation 1 and 2, we get, what do we get? L plus 7 into B minus 4 is equal to 8 plus B times B. Now L is given as 8 plus B. In place of L, we can substitute 8 plus B. So 8 plus B plus 7 into B minus 4 is equal to, when you multiply this will be 8B plus B square. Now 8 and 7 is 15. This is B plus 15 into B minus 4 is equal to 8B plus B square. Now what can we do? B into B is, we will multiply the brackets. B into B is B square minus 4B and plus 15B. So minus 4B plus 15B minus 60. 15 4 is 60. Minus 60 is equal to 8B plus B square. B square cancel because both of them are on the same sign and on opposite side. This plus, if this goes to this side, will become minus, so hence they will cancel or whatever. Now 15 minus 4 is 11B. Minus 60 is equal to 8B. 8B comes to this side, so 11B minus 8B is equal to 60. So 11 minus 8 is 3B is equal to 60, implies that B is equal to 60 upon 3, that is 20 units. The breadth is 20 units and we have to find what is the length of the blackboard. So length is 8 plus B. So length is 8 plus B, and B we calculated 20. So 20 plus 8 is 28 units is the length. 28 meters is the length of the board. That is the final value. Now we move on to question number 16. Next I am taking question number 16. So I'll read out the question. A boat takes 9 hours to travel a distance upstream. Now what is the meaning of upstream and downstream? Suppose this is the direction of water. This is the direction of water and this is the direction of boat. When boat and water are traveling in the same direction, then it is known as downstream. Then it is known as downstream. Downstream means same direction, both. Same direction, both. Means whichever direction the boat is the water is flowing, in the same direction the boat is going. In that way, what happens, the speed of the water helps the boat to move in the right direction, or in the with the more speed, the speed is increased. But when we say upstream, upstream means opposite directions. Opposite directions boat means water is moving in this direction, but the boat is moving in this direction. So this, when this is the condition, it is known as upstream. Water is moving in other direction, boat is moving in opposite direction. So this is an different condition. In this, what happens, the water tries to push the boat towards itself, but boat has to move against the direction of the water. So in this case, the speed of the boat is less, comparatively less as compared to downstream. Now I'll read out the question. A boat takes 9 hours to travel a distance upstream. Upstream it is given. Upstream the boat is traveling. It takes, time is given 9 hours. 9 hours, and takes 3 hours to travel the same distance downstream. Now you can see it is given downstream. Distance is same, and they say it takes 3 hours. It means that boat and water are moving in the same direction. So the water is helping the boat to gain more speed. That is why less time is being taken in this case, and here for same distance more time is being taken. Now, if the speed of the boat in still water is 4 kilometers per hour, it is given that speed of boat is 4 kilometers per hour. Find the speed of stream. Now, speed of a stream, let us assume that speed of a stream is x kilometers per hour. So when the boat is traveling upstream, the boat is moving in the opposite direction. So the relative speeds will be boat minus stream. And the speed of the boat is given to us as 4, and stream we have assumed as x. So this is the relative speed of the boat upstream, means speed upstream is 4 minus x kilometers per hour, and time is given how much? 9 hours. So distance traveled will be, we know that distance is equal to speed into time. It means 4 minus x, speed into time is 9 hours. This many kilometers the distance upstream. Same is the distance downstream also. So what will be the speed of the boat downstream? Speed will be speed downstream. In this case, in downstream, both of them are moving in the same direction. So speed of the boat and speed of the stream will be added. So speed of the boat is 4 and the speed of the stream we have taken x. So total comes out to be 4 plus x kilometers per hour. So distance downstream, we know that distance equal to speed into time, and speed we have calculated 4 plus x, and time they say it takes 3 hours. So into 3, and that many kilometers the distance. Since they say that distance is same of upstream and downstream, it means this and this will be equated. So what we will do, 4 minus x times 9 is equal to 4 plus x times 3. So 4 minus x into 9 upon 3 is equal to 4 plus x. 3 3s are 9. When you open the bracket, 4 3s are 12 minus 3x is equal to 4 plus x. 3 goes to that side, 4 comes to this side. 12 minus 4 is equal to 3x plus x, that is 4x. 12 minus 4 is 8. It means that x is equal to 8 upon 4, that is 2 kilometers per hour, and that is very true. Is 2 kilometers per hour, means speed of the stream we have calculated as 2 kilometers per hour. In any case, speed of the stream will not be more than or equal to 4 kilometers, because if the speed, let's say that speed of the stream comes out to be 6 kilometers, if the water is flowing in this direction and we are rowing the boat in this direction, and the speed of the water is 6 km per hour but the speed of the boat is 4 km per hour, it means that we are not moving forward, the water is taking us away in the direction of its flow. So in any case, the speed of the boat will not be equal to or less than the speed of the stream, or we can say that in any case, speed of a stream will never be equal to or more than the speed of the boat. Now we move on to the last question, that is question number 18. Now our next question is the last one, that is question number 18. They say that Bittu spends 1/3 of the money with him on books. So on books he is spending 1/3 of money. Then they say 1/4 of the remaining, it means 1/4 of remaining he is spending on, one-third. Bittu spends 1/3 of the money with him on the books, on food, 1/4 on food, and then they say 2/5 of the remaining on travel, 2/5 of remaining on travel, and then they say he has 450 left. Now left with him is rupees 450. What was the money he initially had? How much money did he have in the beginning? Now this is the question. There is a child who is spending 1/3 of the money which he had on the books. Then whatever is left, 1/4 of the remainder on the food. Then whatever is left, 2/5 of the remainder on travel. Then whatever is left on is equal to 450. We have to find out what money initially he had. So we will assume let the money with Bittu be rupees X. So he spent on books. On books he is spending is 1/3, means X minus 1/3 of X. That is X minus X upon 3. So that will be 3 ones are 3 minus 1. That will be 2X minus 3 is left. Now this much is spent, 1/3 is spent, this much is left. He spends 1/4 of the remaining on food. So now on food, how much he is spending? He had 2x upon 3 left, and minus he spent 1 upon 4 of left, that is 2x upon 3 on the food. So that will be 2x upon 3 minus 2 minus x upon 6. Now this, when you subtract, whatever we'll get, that will be the left after spending on the food. Here you can say left after spending on books. Now LCM will be 6, so 4x, 3 to the 6, 2 to the 4, minus x, 4x minus x, that is 3x upon 6. That can be reduced to 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. It means x upon 2. This much amount is left after spending on food. Now this much is left after spending on the food. Now he spends 2/5 of the remainder on travel. So on travel he is spending, he had x upon 2 with him now, and he minus, because he's spending 2/5 of the remainder, means of x upon 2. So 2 and 2 cancelled. This is spending on travel. We'll solve it. That will be x upon 2 minus x upon 5. So LCM will be 10. So this will become 5x minus 2x, that is 3x upon 10. This is left after spending on travel. Now they say after spending he is left with 450 rupees, this value. It means, and in the terms of x they are saying, we have calculated 3x upon 10 is left with him. It means 3x upon 10 should be equated to 450, because amount finally left is 3x upon 10. In rupees it is given 4x upon 450. So we can say 3x upon 10 is equal to 450, implies that 3x is equal to 450 into 10, implies that x is equal to 450 into 10 upon 3. 15 3 is a 45, 150 into 10, that is rupees 1500 he had initially with him. Now this finishes your chapter, and in the next class will be about linear inequations. So by the time, keep on practicing, keep on revising, keep on working hard, and stay blessed. Thank you.